match against Cherry Tigo. So yung mga veterano na team talagang napapahirapan nila. Kaya they need to close out here in the third set to avoid those kinds of situations again.
Mag-isa ka, you need help of the others para maayos kung sino talaga ang gets the point. In the meantime, action, oh boy, that is sent outside. Alexis will join us.
But now the balanced playmaking is something that Rhea Bonifay should celebrate here today. I mean, kanina makikita natin nagsistruggle pa, but as the game progresses, nagiging komportable na siya.
Nagsettle in.
Kasama niya. Ironic din because you have all these big veterans here on your team, and usually yung laban and that fire, it's more in it kapag mga veterano. But speaking of, Joy Dacron scoring off that quick hit.
Brian was concerned about the way the ball was getting to Chisaete. In the meantime, a foiled attempt there. Soltones shoots. Dacron. Well done.
Blockers for Myla Pablo. That's a big no-no, whether it's from an off. Great defense by Chisaet.
2 straight points now. Nagkagulo. Nagkatamaan yata. Tumama ba si Bang?
Yes.
That push into the middle, which has been a loophole in the Akari defense.
Nagiging difference in this match. Yung defense ni Akari, sabi nga natin, they don't stop with the attempts. Meanwhile, ito namang Petrogas kulang sa attempts.
Pontillas says one more. Says one more. Playing against each other, diba?
Ang ganda ng tiwala. Back-to-back na-block ito si Pontillas.
Soltones has 10. Action continues. Pablo. Soltones. Laksina. Yeah. Alexis, ano meron? Soyud. Chang got to it. It's still in play. We have a joust, and it does not last very long.
Still up by 3. Like you mentioned earlier, they took control of the second set. The entire set, they were the ones setting the pace. And it's still the same story here in the
Johnson.
third set.
Ganda ng confidence na nakuha ng Akari from winning that very long first set. No, they messed this up. They might need a timeout here. Will hit the floor. Oh, that's a check ball. Myla knew it. And just to complete the sentence, Zeus Coffee goes up against Chocomucho later on. This ricochets of the net. One-handed set. Cheng just pushed it up. Hit out as Adolfo gets that to buy.
Coach Tina naman still so chill, allowing her players to play their game.
They finally replied to that 6-0 run. Sa beach volleyball, puro buhangin do sa likod na yun. Aha! By the Angels. Soyud. Adolfo kicking high. The drop. Soyud gets to it. Soltones, and they are foiled. Down now by 2. Bonifay. Short serve. Pineda. The usual Cheng. Caper. Back row at work. Pineda. Buhay pa yan, ha? Soltones aimed. Cheng at the net. Dacron rejected. Pineda. Naku, hindi naka-atake. Soyud. Denied.
Go Tiangzon and Joy Dacron taking over.
Third set. That's hit out. Soltones lands it against the block. And Ilagan and so many other Places Montalban, of course. Dasmariñas, Cavite. Here we go. That's a block. You know, Akari has risen.
Good potential lineup eh.
Yeah.
It's just a matter of experience, and I think as they go, nadadagdagan yung experience, and now we're seeing the fruits of all those efforts combined.
Tagawa with a big shot. Oh, bigger shot by the Coron.
Imagine the height difference between the Coron and Tagaod, the single block pa.
That does not work, and it's outside.
Sila yung role na kailangan lahat
Saka pag
kinakausap.
nagte-tense up, no? Biglang hindi ka nagsasalita eh.
Oh! We haven't seen that all afternoon from Eli Soyud.
She has 15 points, including that spike of the set. Brought to you by Duncan, pasalubong ng bayan. Close to the net. The zip, the whip, and the score by Myla Pablo.
Brian allowing the girls to breathe, get better perspective.
Myla with 15. Soyud pushes it over. That will work for Adolfo.
Adolfo, such a power hitter. One of the rookies, and ngayon just continuously improving here under the...
Ooh, off the hands. Alam mo, ang movement ng players, it's not just because of the sweldo eh.
And also sometimes the team composition, kung saan nila nakikita yung sarili nila na mas mag-grow pa.
Alam mo, ang downside kasi ng volleyball compared to basketball. And you also, the style of the game, you need a solid 6 that works well together. At least 8 eh. Actually, masarap maging... Oh, that'll work.
Back-to-back aces from the rookie, Jenny Tagaod.
Pero masarap maging second 6. Kasi Jenny will continue to serve. Lakas, sobra.
Oh!
Pasok ba?
Pasok!
Wow.
We talked about playing time earlier, and this is the way.
It is match point. Chance. Torres got it in the corner. And Akari will set a date in the next round.
Retzel Sotones.
Point of the set brought to you by Myra. Be Vita Brighter with Myra's vitamin-powered whitening lotion.